Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, snow on the way, yes, but also keep in mind there's some sleet and rain as well, and as a result, that is going to keep the snowfall accumulations from really getting too out of control. And we're not looking at a blockbuster storm here or severe amounts of snow, but some accumulations, bad timing because it will coincide with the evening commute. Now, live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar not tracking anything, and no surprise here, the air extremely dry, clouds are on the increase, but not finding rain or snow, so staying quiet. Here's the timetable. Snow starting around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, becoming steadier by very late afternoon and early evening, so reduced visibility, extra travel time for the evening commute. And here's the deal as far as the changeover. We'll start to see a changeover to sleet, freezing rain, and rain tomorrow night. Now, first, that'll occur at the South Shore, and then later points north. And as a result, well, southern suburbs will not see as much snow, whereas northern areas will get a little bit more. And we'll show you those specific numbers in just a second. I have actually 2 snowfall accumulation maps. Downtown Providence, partly to mostly cloudy, 36 with a very, very low humidity at 37%. So a dry atmosphere right now, but that'll change significantly by tomorrow afternoon. As we take a look at the clouds rolling in, it's cooled off to 33 Worcester, 34 Smithfield, Providence 36, mid-30s on the South Shore, but New Bedford are getting a head start down at 29 degrees. So quite simply, cold air will be coming in initially tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, and why some of this moisture that heads our way initially will come in the form of some snow. And notice it's still back through the Midwest, and this will arrive tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. All right, that's where it is now. Let's show you where it's going in the Futurecast as we start off this evening with the clouds streaming in. This is 8 o'clock in the morning, right about there. It's dry, clouds are streaming in, but no problems. Kids heading out to school, heading out to work. Now, early tomorrow afternoon, the blue shows the snow is working in. This pink zone is the markings of some sleet by 3 o'clock in the afternoon on the South Shore. And once that transition line of sleet and rain advances to the north, this is 8 o'clock in the evening, whereas south of this blue line, probably rain, and then north of this line, tomorrow evening, kind of a combination of wet snow, sleet, and freezing rain. But even up here, a change to rain will more than likely occur. But because it occurs lastly, the last to see the changeover, you end up with a little bit of more snow here and not as much along the South Shore. So how much are we talking about? Well, when you do the math here, this whole light blue area, which is about 70% of our viewing area, it's only about 1 to 2 inches of slush. You get into this red zone, 2 to 5. What's a little unsettling, I'm going to watch this closely, but only 20 miles north of the Rhode border up towards Worcester, 5 to 8 inches of snow. Let me blow this up a little bit more so you can kind of get an idea of what's going on as far as how much by tomorrow evening. Again, this light blue zone, 1 to 2. Extreme western Kent County, let's say north and west of 295 on the order of 2 to 5 inches of snow. So dry overnight, clouds on the increase, temperatures falling down to about 30. Kids heading out to school in the morning. There will be school, 37 degrees, clouds moving in, and then the snow arriving mid-afternoon tomorrow and into tomorrow evening, becoming steady for a time, and then tomorrow night we start to see that mix with some sleet and freezing rain, and then eventually changing over to all rain by later tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, and that should hold down the accumulations a little bit. 7-day outlook, it's still unsettled on Thursday. It's a combination of light rain and snow, though light at 42. Dry on Friday. We have a rainstorm for Saturday, not snow, 55 degrees, and then drying out on Sunday, partly sunny, mild, 45 to 50. So it all starts tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. We're not talking about huge accumulations, about an inch or two, Providence metro area, but a little higher north and west of Providence.
Okay. Thanks, Tony.
All right, Tony, thanks.